This is the Hurricane HTC100 Woodturning chuck. Crafted from durable steel with a chrome-plated body, this outstanding scroll chuck is built to last. Designed for optimal performance, it provides a superb and reliable grip across multiple wood-turning projects. Despite being slightly smaller than the HTC125, this versatile 4-inch chuck pairs excellently with full-sized, mini, and midi lathes. Included in each package are standard dovetail jaws, a 6-inch long chuck key, an Allen key for switching jaws, a standard wood screw, and one threaded insert. The sizes available include 1 1/4 by 8 TPI, 3/4 inch by 16 TPI, 1 1/2 inch by 8 TPI, 1 inch by 8 TPI, 1 1/8 inch by 8 TPI, and M33 by 3.5. Whether you're a seasoned wood turner or you're just starting out with wood turning, the Hurricane HTC100 Woodturning chuck delivers exceptional performance and reliability, which make it a must-have in your workshop at a price you can afford.